Hi, this is Gauri Bhatnagar.
And this is Kuhu Saxena.
So today we are here at Lucknow Residency,
A building that was constructed during the years 1780 and 1800 AD, and the construction started under the rule of Nawab Asaf-ud-Daula and it ended under the rule of Nawab Sadat Ali Khan, which was the 5th Nawab of the province of Awadh.
So the main part of complex was destroyed during the battle between British and Indian rebellions.
From July 1857 to 17 November, Residency was subject to siege of Lucknow, and it was a part of Indian Rebellion of 1857, which is a huge event in the history. And today this place, which was once a beautiful home to the British Resident General, is now a ruin.
Let us now give you a brief of what we will be covering in this vlog. First is the grand entrance, the treasury, banquet hall, Residency's main building, St. Mary's Church and Cemetery, Begum Koti, Mosque and Imambada, Brigadier's Mess, Martinier's Post, Sixth Square, Dr. Ferrer's house, and many other ruins. To enter and exit the Residency campus, we all need to pass through the main gate, which is called Bailey Guard Gate. It's a grand entrance that is named after its first resident, Colonel John Bailey. It was a part of a practice started by the then Nawab called the Guard of Honor. This gate was a part of the original construction. The first building right after the entrance on the right side of the campus is the treasury.
Now we are in the building which was a treasury and worked as a storehouse during the rebellion of 1857, and here they used to store the wretched cartridges, and this was the first building to get completely destroyed because it's the outermost building of the premise. On the back side of the banquet hall, there's a marble fountain, either side of which there are grand staircase, although the staircase has been destructed. So right now we are entering inside the banquet hall, which was one of the most beautiful buildings of the premise, where a lot of functions used to held. And here this banquet hall was later converted into a hospital during the war. Right now we are inside the banquet hall. As you can see, there is no way we can go to the first floor because the building is almost ruined, as it is also one of the outermost buildings, the second building of the premise. Residency Residency main building or Mukhya Bhavan. This is one of the most important buildings in this complex.
Because it was the residence of Sir Henry Lawrence, who was one of the most powerful figure of that era. Behind this building is the 1857 Memorial Museum. 2 cannons are installed at the back and 2 in the front. On the north and the south of the building, there are turrets in which spiral staircases are installed. And we will take you there shortly, but before, you can also see the marks of cannonballs and bullets on the building.
This is the spiral staircase that is situated in the southern turret of the Residency main building.
रेजिडेंसी मेन बिल्डिंग में 3 फ्लोर्स थे, ग्राउंड फ्लोर, फर्स्ट फ्लोर एंड सेकंड फ्लोर. अपर पार्ट में लाइब्रेरी थी एंड बिलियन रूम था, जो कि अब डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया. राइट नाउ वी आर एट वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द रेजिडेंसी मेन बिल्डिंग.
And as you can see, we are in an extended veranda.
Behind the main building of residency, you can find the cemetery.
The St. Mary's Church was once a beautiful Gothic styled church. The breach was used to store grains during the siege. Today, only 2-3 feet of structure remains in the place of the church. There were no burial facilities during the siege, hence, the corpses of the martyred were dumped into the ground around the church. In a very small piece of land, there are almost 2,000 people buried.
As you can see, there is this enclosure जहाँ पे ऐसा लिखा है कि within this enclosure are buried the remains of over 100 of the brave defenders of the residency who were killed during the early part of the siege. Their names were not recorded. इस समय हम बेगम कोठी के कैंपस में हैं. यहाँ मेरे राइट साइड में है रसोई और मेरे लेफ्ट साइड में है बेगम कोठी. बेगम कोठी बनवाई थी नवाब असफउद्दौला ने और उन्होंने बेच दी इसे सैकविले मार्कस टेलर को, जिन्होंने इसको बेची प्रेंडरगास्ट को 1802 में. और प्रेंडरगास्ट ने यहाँ पे एक यूरोपियन शॉप क्रिएट करी थी, बट उन्होंने उसको बेच दिया जॉन कोलॉडन को. जॉन कोलॉडन की पोती थी मलिका मकदरा आलिया, जिनको ये कोठी मिली थी, जिनकी ये कोठी है. एंड शी वॉज मैरिड टू द नवाब नसीरुद्दीन हैदर. एंड आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ नसीरुद्दीन हैदर, शी अलॉन्ग विद हर मदर एंड स्टेप सिस्टर अशरफुन्निसा came to live in this Begum Koti. Let's see what's inside. अशरफुन्निसा को बेगम कोठी मिली थी, जिसके एडजेसेंट में आपको एक इमाम बाड़ा और मॉस्क दिखाई देगा. ये उसी का कैंपस है और ये मॉस्क जो था वो अशरफुन्निसा के लिए बना था.
Across the mosque, you will see the Brigadier's Mess. We guessed that this was the dining area. The Brigadier's Mess is also completely ruined and it was very hard to identify what is what. But we saw an old well right outside the main entrance of the Brigadier Mess. And let me also tell you that the main entrance is almost destroyed. There's only this gate left, which is not the main entrance, but it is somewhere at the back.
This is the entrance of the Brigadier's Mess. As you can see, the gate is destroyed. It is said that this mess had facilities for entertainment, games as well as food. Right now we are in front of a European style building which is now a ruin, but at that point of time its name was Martiniers Post and it was guarded by 32nd Regiment, the principal George Schilling of Lamartinian School, along with a few teachers and approximately 50 students during the siege of 1857. In front of the Martiniers Post we have Sikh Square, which is 2 square enclosures, and it was surrounded by rows of houses that were low and flat roofed. And the name is Sikh Square is because during the siege of 1857 it was occupied by the Sikh cavalry. In the whole complex of Residency, there are a lot of structures that cannot be identified because they are completely destroyed.
If it wasn't for the signboards that says Anderson Post and German Post, it is not possible to identify it.
This is the house of Dr. Ferrers. यहाँ भी कैनन बॉल्स के मार्क्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं.
There were more than 10 smaller rooms that we suppose were used by the patients that were injured during the war.
अभी हम आए हैं डॉक्टर फेरेट की बिल्डिंग में, जो उस टाइम पे मुख्य सर्जन थे.
बिल्डिंग एक स्लोप पे बनी हुई है जिसके दोनों तरफ गार्डन है, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन है अभी भी. एंड क्योंकि ये स्लोप पे है तो बिल्डिंग का एंट्रेंस का पार्ट 1 फ्लोर पे है, पर पीछे आते आते बिल्डिंग 2 फ्लोर की हो जाती है. इस टाइम हम जहाँ खड़े हैं वो 2 फ्लोर वाला पार्ट है. एंड यहाँ पे कई सारे रूम्स भी थे, जो कि एक था जिसमें कि स्विमिंग बाथ था, बट बाकी के जितने भी रूम्स थे सब जनरल पर्पसेस के लिए थे. और ये बिल्डिंग उस टाइम पे हॉस्पिटल की तरह यूज़ की जा रही थी जिस टाइम पे वॉर चल रहा था और लोग इंजर्ड हो रहे थे.
और यहाँ पर एक तहखाना भी है जो कि उस टाइम पे सीज के टाइम पर वुमेन्स और चिल्ड्रंस को रिफ्यूज़ की जगह बनी, उनकी रिफ्यूज़ की जगह बनी.
सर हेनरी लॉरेंस भी 2 जुलाई को इंजर्ड हुए थे सर हेनरी लॉरेंस की बिल्डिंग में, जो कि इस बिल्डिंग के जस्ट सामने है, और 4 जुलाई को उनका यहाँ ही पर देहांत हो गया था.
सो गाइस, ये हमारे व्लॉग की लास्ट डेस्टिनेशन थी.
अब हम वापस जाएंगे और उसी ग्रैंड बेली गेट के अंदर से पास होकर.
चलिए.